Music. Want better ad results? This is AdRoll. Links are below. AdRoll empowers e-commerce brands to optimize retargeting, display, and social media ads. Reconnect with site visitors who haven't purchased, boost sales, and build brand awareness. AdRoll supports display, social, email, and video ads for a seamless omnichannel strategy. Its AI-powered targeting uses machine learning to analyze customer behavior, optimizing ad delivery for maximum engagement and conversions. Integrate with Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more, reaching your audience everywhere. Dynamic retargeting personalizes ads based on past interactions for higher relevance and impact. The user-friendly dashboard provides detailed analytics on click-through rates, conversions, and return on ad spend. Automate email sequences, ad campaigns, and cross-channel remarketing with built-in marketing automation. Perfect for businesses of all sizes seeking efficiency and scale. Pricing is flexible, with self-serve and managed service options. A free trial is available, along with pay-as-you-go and monthly subscriptions. Beyond retargeting, AdRoll manages full-funnel campaigns across multiple platforms. If you're an e-commerce brand looking to boost customer retention and drive conversions, AdRoll is a top choice. It simplifies ad management, automates engagement, and maximizes your budget. Check the links below to explore AdRoll and optimize your ad strategy today.